In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with Monday.com. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right permissions to access the admin area. We'll start from your main workspace. Open the project or board where you want to use LinkedIn data. This is important because the integration will eventually be tied to a specific board or workflow. Once your project is open, look toward the main navigation or header area and click on the highlighted settings or menu option that opens the account level settings. From there, choose the administration section. This is where all the higher level controls live for your account, including integrations and automations, so you'll need admin access for this part. Inside administration, click on the connections area. This is where Monday.com lets you manage external tools and services linked to your account. Next, select Automation Connections. This is specifically for tools that power automations, like posting or syncing information between platforms. Now click on Explore Integrations. This will open the Integrations Marketplace where you can browse all the apps that connect to Monday.com. In the search bar or from the list, look for the LinkedIn integration. If there's a highlighted category or suggestion area, click that first to reveal LinkedIn as an option. When you see LinkedIn, click on it to open the integration details. You'll now see a set of ready-made automation recipes or templates. Find the one that matches how you want Monday.com to talk to LinkedIn and click Use Template. If you're taken into a specific recipe and decide it's not the one you want, use the back option in the top left to return to the list of LinkedIn templates. From there, you can click Use Template on another option that better fits your workflow. Repeat this as needed until you're on the template you want to activate. When you're ready, click Connect. This will open a LinkedIn login or permissions window in your browser. Here, you may see one or more highlighted buttons guiding you through the authorization flow. Click through the highlighted prompts, review the permissions that Monday.com is requesting, and then click Sign In to confirm and authorize access with your LinkedIn account. After the connection is successfully authorized, you'll be returned to Monday.com. To wrap up, go back to Explore Integrations again if you want to review other LinkedIn templates or add more automation recipes using the same LinkedIn connection you just set up.